Behind, you can see the truck coming from there. All the Durga idols are going for Visarjan. So this is the spot I found that I can show you where the Durga immersion is taking place over there. There are less Durga idols today, that's why.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्मै 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 नमो.
Good evening, internet. Welcome back to another new Durga Idol Visarjan video. Currently, I am here to Babughat, Kolkata. Today is the day after Dashami. I am here to show you the Durga Idols immersion at Ganga. Yesterday, I showed you the Durga Idol immersion at Newton Visarjan Ghar, but today I am here at the main place where in Kolkata the Durga Idols immersion takes place. So here is for you a Durga Idol immersion 2021. This is the main problem because people show the waste here and there before the immersion. So here is another Durga idol. The last Durga idol you saw, that is quite a beautiful Durga idol. And this is another Durga idol for you. Behind, you can see the truck coming from there. All the Durga idols are going for Visarjan. And the entry is restricted except the puja committee organization. No one is allowed to go inside and show and see the Durga Idol Visarjan. So that's the negative sign over here because of the COVID now. Most probably this rule has been made. So only from outside I can show you the Durga Idols Visarjan. So while the Durga Idols are getting dipped at the Ganga, that can be shown because of the COVID laws and restrictions. So the entry is restricted in that point only. So that I can only show you from the outside only, and you can see the scenario, the atmosphere over here at the Babughat area.
অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা।
Screen kept. From here only you can see the Visarjan. So here is another Durga idol taken out from the truck, taken to the Ganga. So another truck is coming with the Durga idol over there. You can see line by line the trucks are coming over there carrying the Durga idols and our Bahons over there. So here is one truck. There is another truck over there. And followed by there are many trucks that have just arrived over here at the Babughat area for the Visarjan. So you can see there is a crane that has been kept over there to clear all the wastage after the Durga Visarjan has been done. So they are all cleaning up the wastage that is being caused after the Durga Visarjan from the Ganga. So from here it is not totally visible that Durga Visarjan. So from this point, this is basically the end point from where I can draw it for you all. So this is the Babughat, the idols have been going over there. And these trucks are taking the wastage from there and clearing up the Ganga Ghat. So just check out the whole atmosphere at Babughat today, the day after Dashami. Puja has ended, the final Durga idols and a Bahans immersion is going on over here. So just check out people, the audience have came out to check out the Durga Visarjan. There is the LED screen that has been kept for the audience to see. Today the crowd is quite less compared to yesterday. But just check out the whole atmosphere near Babughat during Durga Puja Visarjan 2021. So the kids, adults, policemen over here, this is the last point of entry for the local people, for the common people, and here only the laborers who are carrying the Durga idols, and the two people say only two members of the puja committee are allowed to get inside. Other than that, the common people are not allowed to go inside near to the Ganga Ghat. So I can only show you from here only. This is the spot I found that I can show you where the Durga immersion is taking place over there. There are less Durga idols today, that's why it is not properly visible. But that is the spot where the Durga idol immersion is taking place, Visarjan is taking place, and like these cranes are clearing up all the. You can see the crane over there is pulling up the bamboo structure over there. You can see the Durga idol over there. So there is all the cleaning process taking. There is a trailer over there, there is a crane, and these are the cranes lined up to clear the Durga idols from the Ganga river. So it is not visible clearly from here as well because of these cranes. You can see over there the crane are pulling up the Durga idols. Yes, you can see over there the cranes are pulling up the Durga idols. Here you can see this one. This was all from Durga Idol Visarjan from Babu Ghat. Hope you like this video and informative to you of how is the whole atmosphere of Babu Ghat in the year 2021 during the Durga Puja Visarjan. So I cannot show you from the Ganga side, from the road side only. I showed you the maximum part of this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to give the video a like, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Till then, bye bye from Babu Ghat Durga Puja Visarjan 2021.